If you think the Maybach S680 is just a luxury car, you're seriously underestimating what engineering and prestige can look like when money is not the limit. Imagine sitting inside something that doesn't just take you from one place to another, but completely isolates you from the outside world like a moving private jet cabin. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S680 is not built for attention, it naturally attracts it without trying. From the moment it rolls into view, it feels less like a car and more like a statement of absolute power, success, and refinement. The deep chrome grille doesn't just sit at the front, it announces presence. The long, stretched body doesn't just look elegant, it defines what executive luxury should feel like on wheels. And when those signature Maybach details catch the light, you instantly realize this is not ordinary automotive design. This is top-tier craftsmanship blended with modern technology in a way very few vehicles on Earth can achieve. In this video, we're not just looking at a car, we are stepping into a world where comfort, prestige, and performance exist in perfect harmony. By the end, you'll understand why the Maybach S680 is often called a rolling palace, and why it stands at the very top of luxury sedans in the world today. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S680 represents the highest expression of Mercedes-Benz luxury engineering. It is built on the already prestigious S-Class platform, but Maybach transforms it into something far more exclusive, more refined, and significantly more luxurious. The first thing that captures attention is its signature front grille. Unlike the standard S-Class, the Maybach version features a bold vertical chrome grille design that instantly signals exclusivity. The chrome work is not just decorative, it reflects light in a way that creates a constantly shifting visual presence depending on the environment. The large Mercedes-Maybach emblem positioned at the top of the grille adds a royal touch, making it clear that this is not just another luxury sedan. Moving to the headlights, the S680 features ultra-modern digital light technology. These adaptive LED headlamps are not just for illumination, they actively enhance driving safety by projecting light patterns that adjust to road conditions. The signature DRLs give the car a futuristic expression, especially at night when the front fascia glows with a calm yet powerful presence. Every detail is designed to balance elegance with intelligence. The body design of the Maybach S680 is where its true character becomes clear. The elongated wheelbase creates a limousine-like silhouette that emphasizes rear seat luxury above all else. The smooth aerodynamic lines run from front to rear without interruption, giving the vehicle a flowing, uninterrupted luxury feel. Chrome accents are carefully placed along the window line, door handles, and lower body trim, not in excess but in precise harmony. This restraint is what separates Maybach from other luxury brands, it never overdoes luxury, it refines it. The wheels are another defining feature. Large multi-spoke chrome-finished alloys sit perfectly under the body, giving the car a grounded yet regal stance. They are not just designed for appearance, they are engineered for smoothness, comfort, and road isolation. When the car moves, the wheels appear almost like rotating jewelry, reflecting light in every direction. Now, stepping into the interior is where the Maybach S680 completely changes the definition of automotive luxury. The cabin is designed to feel like a private luxury lounge. Every surface is wrapped in premium Napa leather, hand-stitched with precision that only master craftsmen can achieve. The seats are not just seats, they are fully adjustable, heated, ventilated, and equipped with massage functions that simulate a spa-like experience on the road. Rear seat passengers receive the highest level of attention. Executive reclining seats with leg support, individual infotainment screens, and ambient lighting that can be customized into multiple color themes make the experience deeply personal. The Burmester 4D surround sound system transforms the cabin into a concert hall, delivering crystal-clear audio that vibrates subtly through the seats for a fully immersive experience. One of the most impressive aspects is the level of silence inside the cabin. Mercedes-Maybach has used advanced insulation materials and acoustic engineering to ensure near-total isolation from external noise. Even at high speeds, the interior remains whisper quiet. It feels like you are floating rather than driving. Under the hood, the Maybach S680 is powered by a 6.0-liter V12 biturbo engine. This engine produces effortless power delivery, not aggressive or harsh, but smooth and continuous. It is paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission that shifts so seamlessly, passengers barely notice gear changes. Despite its size and luxury focus, the car still delivers impressive performance, proving that comfort and power can coexist without compromise. The driving experience is supported by advanced air suspension technology. The Airmatic system continuously adjusts the ride height and damping to ensure maximum comfort. Road imperfections practically disappear, making every journey feel like gliding over silk. Even sharp turns are handled with surprising stability for such a large luxury sedan. Technology in the S680 is equally impressive. The MBUX infotainment system offers a fully digital experience with voice control, augmented reality navigation, and intelligent learning features that adapt to the driver's habits. The large OLED central display and digital instrument cluster create a futuristic cockpit feel while still maintaining elegance. Safety is also a core priority. The vehicle includes advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, and automatic emergency braking. These systems work seamlessly in the background, allowing the driver to enjoy the journey with confidence and peace of mind. One of the most unique aspects of the Maybach S680 is its customization options. Owners can personalize exterior colors, interior trims, stitching patterns, and even bespoke luxury packages. This makes every Maybach potentially unique, tailored specifically to the owner's taste and personality. When seen on the road, the S680 commands instant attention. It does not need loud exhaust sounds or aggressive styling. Its presence alone is enough. People recognize it immediately as a symbol of success and elite status. Whether parked in front of a luxury hotel or moving through city streets, it always stands out without trying too hard. The rear of the vehicle continues the theme of elegance with slim LED taillights and clean design language. The subtle Maybach branding and chrome detailing complete the look without overwhelming the design. Everything feels balanced, intentional, and perfectly executed. In conclusion, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S680 is not just a car, it is an experience, a lifestyle, and a statement of ultimate luxury. It combines handcrafted interior excellence, cutting-edge technology, powerful yet smooth performance, and timeless design into one perfect package. It is built for those who do not just want to drive, but want to arrive in absolute style and comfort. Once you experience the Maybach S680, every other luxury car feels like a step below.